A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. A personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. I, me. I play basketball. You go to school with me. You. You are my best friend. I will meet you tomorrow. We. Us. Shall we go camping this weekend? I and Dita are classmate. Teacher gives us a lot of homeworks. They. Them. They are going to campus together. Donnie, Agus and Leah play volleyball. I will join them. He. Him. He is holding his belt. Fawaz is in danger. Monster is attacking him. She. Her. She is beautiful. Today is Cheyan's birthday. I will give her a gift. It. This is my pet. It has red scarf. My car is broken. I will repair it.